How retinol works to improve skin elasticity.
Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most powerful ingredients in anti-aging skincare. Retinol. If you're looking to reduce wrinkles, improve skin elasticity, and get that youthful glow back, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how retinol works and how you can use it effectively.
Chapter 1. What is retinol? Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A, which is essential for healthy skin. It's been used for decades to combat signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. But how does it do all this magic? Chapter 2. Mechanism of action. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Retinol stimulates cell turnover, which means it helps remove dead skin cells and promotes the growth of new ones. It's like a skin renewal process. Additionally, retinol increases the production of collagen and elastin, two proteins that are crucial for maintaining skin structure and elasticity. 2. Epidermal thickening. Retinol thickens the outer layer of your skin, the epidermis, and enhances keratinocyte proliferation. This makes your skin more robust and elastic. 3. Normalization of epidermal turnover. It normalizes the turnover cycle of the epidermis, resulting in smoother and more elastic skin. Chapter 3. Most important role of retinol. The most crucial function of retinol is its ability to promote collagen and elastin production. These proteins are vital for maintaining the structural integrity and elasticity of your skin. By stimulating fibroblasts, retinol ensures that your skin remains firm and resilient.
Chapter 4. Synergistic ingredients. Retinol works even better when combined with other ingredients. 1. Peptides. Peptides made of amino acids easily penetrate the skin and stimulate fibroblasts to produce more collagen and elastin. This synergy with retinol enhances wrinkle improvement and skin elasticity. Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is a specific peptide that not only promotes collagen production, but also strengthens tissue density and has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. B. Niacinamide. Niacinamide enhances the effectiveness of retinol by reducing skin irritation and promoting the production of fatty acids and ceramides. This combination helps in improving wrinkles and skin elasticity while minimizing side effects. C. Antioxidants. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that promotes collagen production, protects the skin, and contributes to improving elasticity. However, use it cautiously with retinol to avoid skin irritation. To further enhance the benefits, consider using a soothing mask to calm the skin after applying these potent ingredients. With the right combination, you can achieve glowing, youthful skin while minimizing potential side effects.
Chapter 5. Practical tips for using retinol. Here are some practical tips to get the most out of retinol. 1. Start slowly. Begin with a lower concentration and gradually increase as your skin becomes more tolerant to minimize irritation. 2. Use sunscreen. Retinol increases skin sensitivity to sunlight, so using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 is crucial during the day. 3. Combine with other ingredients. Using retinol with peptides, niacinamide, and antioxidants like vitamin C can enhance its benefits while reducing potential side effects. 4. Be patient. Retinol takes time to show its effects, typically between 3 to 6 months. Consistency and patience are key to seeing the desired results.
Chapter 6. Recommended retinol products. Here are some of the best-selling and highly recommended retinol creams in the market. 1. Liliana Naturals Retinol Face Cream. Gentle and lightweight, suitable for sensitive skin. 2. CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. Fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, effective at fading dark spots. 3. Good Molecules Gentle Retinol Cream. Formulated with 0.1% retinol, nourishing and soothing. 4. Paula's Choice Clinical 1% Retinol Treatment. Potent treatment for minimizing pores and fine lines. 5. IT Cosmetics Hello Results Wrinkle Reducing Daily Retinol Cream. Combines serum and cream benefits with niacinamide and vitamin E.
Chapter 7. Wrap-up. Retinol is a powerful anti-aging ingredient that improves skin elasticity by promoting collagen and elastin production, thickening the epidermis, and normalizing skin cell turnover. When combined with peptides, niacinamide, and antioxidants like vitamin C, its benefits are further enhanced. By understanding how retinol works and following these practical tips, you can effectively incorporate it into your skincare routine to achieve healthier, more youthful-looking skin.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and skincare tips.
See you in the next video.